Kindly, as you join the class, mute your microphones. Kindly mute your microphones because we will start our class any moment from now. So thank you class for joining. I hope everybody is in, so that I can know that we are all participating. Alex, can you talk there so that I can see if you are there? Alex Kipkoech. Alex, are you in? Alex, does it, it means that maybe your microphone is off?
I'm in.
You are in, eh?
Yes.
Alex?
I'm in.
Okay. Let me also check on Nixie.
Present.
Okay, debate. Thank you for that. So can we start our class? Can we start our class, members?
Yes.
Okay. Kindly mute your microphone. So are you seeing something on the screen? Oh, are you seeing the sharing there? Everybody seeing?
Yes.
Okay, what is written there so that I can know that we are together? Somebody to read for me what's on the screen. Kindly mute. Who is this? Somebody. Nixie, kindly mute yourself. Nixie Ndungu. Nixie. Okay, I can mute you. Okay, let's move on. I think you will be able to apply the relevant principles of applied science in solving engineering problems. You know that after this course you will be engineers, so that is what you are expected. Our objective number 2 is to enable you to carry out experiments to verify scientific principles, demonstrate correct skills in data collection, analysis, and interpretation. So we move on to the topic itself under this course. That is, the first topic is foundations of chemistry. So we are supposed to learn about a matter. We are supposed to learn about acids and bases. We are supposed to learn about salts. So before we go into it, let us look at the specific objectives, which are which will be able to state the properties of matter, to describe the properties and effects of acids and bases, as you can check on the screen, and also to describe the properties and uses of salts. Now, somebody to read for me, Wilberforce, read for me what you are seeing on the screen. Wilberforce?
Yes.
Yeah, read for me what you are seeing on the screen.
Okay, we have properties of matter.
Okay, continue.
Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
Yes. Continue.
States of matter. We
Okay.
have solid.
Yes.
Solid have definite shape and are not easily changed. They also have a definite mass and volume.
Yes.
Different sizes of the same substance contain different amounts of matter and have different masses. We have liquids.
Okay.
Liquids have mass. Liquids have definite mass and volume but affect the shape of the containers in which they have been placed due to ability to flow. And we have gases. Gases have definite mass but do not have definite volume or shape.
Thank you very much. You have really summarized what we are supposed to handle under this first subtopic of properties of masses. So we move on to acids and bases. I asked Rita to read for us acids. We have Rita Kilel somewhere, or she's not in. Okay, we can have somebody. Okay, continue.
No, I'm ready to start. So I'm going to read about acids and bases.
Yes.
So acids are chemical substances which are characterized by a sour taste in an aqueous medium. They have the tendency to turn blue, litmus red.
Okay.
Bases are chemical substances which are characterized by a bitter taste and are slippery to touch. Some bases are soluble in water while others are not.
Okay, thank you very much. Keep it to read for us the properties, maybe the first and the second property for color and taste. Kibet. We have Kibet there. James.
We have acids.
Yes.
Mineral acids are colorless liquids, but sometimes sulfuric acid becomes yellow due to impurities. Some organic acids are white-colored solids. Examples: benzoic acid. Then in bases are colorless except for the hydroxides of iron and copper.
Okay. What the
For
second?
taste,
Yes. For taste, continue.
acids are sour and bases are bitter.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Kibet.
Then
Okay.
when it comes to touch, bases are slippery.
Yeah. For the acids, you are not
Then
supposed to.
solubility,
Let me comment there. The reason why we don't have the reference for the touch for acids, you cannot touch acid because you know it is very dangerous. It can call what we call chemical burn. It can burn you. For solubility, continue.
for solubility,
Yes.
acids are soluble in water,
Yes.
while some bases are soluble in water. They are called alkalides.
Thank you very much. So we continue. Let me continue with the effects of acids and bases. We are saying that let's go directly to the strong acids and strong bases. Strong acids have a pH which is less than 4, and for the weak acids they have pH which is more than 4. And the examples of strong acids, we have hydrochloric acid, we have nitric acid, we have sulfuric acid, and what we call phosphoric acids. For the weak bases, for the weak acids, we have what we call acetic acid, citric acid, and carbonic acid. And we are saying that these acids, you find them at a pH scale which is more than 4. For the strong bases, the strong base has a pH which is greater than 10, and it's considered as strong because it can cause what we call chemical burns. For the strong bases examples include calcium hydroxide, we have sodium hydroxide, and even potassium hydroxide. For the weak bases, they have pH which is less than 10, and the examples include ammonia and sodium bicarbonate. So somebody to maybe Regina to read for us salt, maybe the definition of salt and one property of salt. Regina. Regina is in. Regina. Okay, if Regina is not in, what about Naomi? Is she in?
Yes, I am in.
Read for us the salt.
Okay, salts in chemistry. A salt is a chemical compound consisting of an ionic assembly of positively charged cations and negatively charged anions, which results in a compound with no net electric charge. A common example is table salt, which positively charged sodium ions and negatively charged chloride ions. The component ions in a salt compound can be either inorganic, such as chloride, which is shown as Cl, or organic, such as acetate. Each ion can be either monatomic, such as fluoride, or polyatomic, such as sulfates.
Yes, continue with the properties.
Okay, properties of salt. Number one, color. A solid salts tend to be transparent as illustrated by sodium chloride. Sodium chromate is yellow by virtue of the chromate ion. Potassium alchromate is orange by the virtue of alchromate.
So thank you very much, Madam Naomi. So those are the colors or the properties of salts in terms of colors. So because of the time, I want us to move a little bit faster with the other properties. The taste, we will not see much more about that. We have the order. I will send you the notes by the end of this class so that you can read even more than what we have there. We have solubility. We have also conductivity, the properties of salt in terms of conductivity. And also we have this YouTube link. When I will send you the notes, you'll be able to access more about the conductivity of salts. And we have the last property, which is the melting point of salts. Also, you will be able to go through that. And our last bit here, which I want maybe some two members to read for us, at least two uses of salt. And maybe I can have, can we have Thomas on Somu? Is he in the class to read for us?
Yes.
Read for us the first use of salt.
Yeah, uses of salt. We start with the sodium chloride, that is commonly known as table salt.
Yes.
It is used in seasoning and the preserving of food. B, we have monosodium glutamate, used to make food more savory and enhances flavor. Salt number 3, that is C, we have sodium nitrate, used in the manufacturing of explosives and the fertilizers. D, we have potassium permanganate, used in tilting some skin conditions like fungal infections and in synthesizing organic compounds like ascorbic acid. E, we have tetraaminocupric salvate, used in manufacturing artificial fabrics, particularly cupriammonium ion. F, we have zinc chloride, hydroxide monohydrate. It is a common feed additive and a nutritional supplement for domesticated animals.
So thank you very much, class. So that makes the end of our class. We have the assignment here, which you are supposed to do. So this assignment is asking you to state the colors of the compounds, which we have been given there: the cobalt nitrate, we have copper sulfate, we have potassium permanganate. So make sure that you do the assignment and submit it before the end of the class. Okay, before the start of the next class, that is when we are meeting next week. Also, for more information, you can click the links. I will send the notes so that you can click these links and continue with revision on that. So thank you very much. I wish to end this class. Thank you everyone for attending the class. Let us meet in our next class. Goodbye. See you, members.
Bye bye.
Bye,
See
teacher.
you.
Thank you.